Children, do you know what riddles are?
A riddle is like a question, but it is not easy to answer.
That's right. A riddle makes you think a little before you find the answer. Here is one. Will you read it, Sachin?
Never darkness do I see, not even a shadowy place. But you can see me all day, though I might burn your face. Light bulb? No, we don't switch on the light bulb during the day. Fire? No, we don't see fire all day. I know, it's the sun.
Perfect. Please read the next, Ruchi.
To cross the water, I'm the way. For water, I'm above. I touch it not, and truth to say, I neither swim nor move. Is it a fish? No, it is above the water and it does not swim. Is it a boat? No, it does not touch the water. It must be a bridge.
Great. Please read the next one, Jenny.
My feet stay warm, but my head is cold. No one can move me. I am just too old. Is it an old person wearing shoes but no cap? No, it says no one can move me. It's a mountain.
Brilliant. Here is another, Sameer. Please read this riddle.
My name begins with C, ends with R. Many times there is a mouse with me. Who am I? Is it the Lord Ganesha? No, the word begins with C and ends in R. It's a computer.
You got it. Can you read the next one, Nikhil?
It has 4 legs. We see it in the classroom. We put things on it. What is it? Is it a chair? No, we sit on a chair. We do not put things on it. It's a table.
Very good, Ruchi. Now, make riddles of your own. Who will try?
I will try, teacher. You can see through me to the world outside, or you can look into a room from the world outside. Who am I? Spectacles? No, Ahmed. Notice I said you can look into a room from the world outside. It's a window. You are right, Sameer. I have made a riddle too, teacher. I roar like a lion, but I am not one. I only come when the lightning is done. I come with the rain. Go, run and hide. Is it a tiger? No. Does a tiger come after lightning? It's thunder. Yes, it is.
Great, children. I want each of you to make a riddle and share it with the class.